Hello and good evening to our lecturer and our fellow friends. Hospital is an institution providing medical and surgical treatment and nursing care for sick or injured people. Hospital also the first place we look for when we are sick to get a treatment and medication. Hospital is very important for all the citizens in our country. So, the high quality hospital is needed in our country. So, today we are going to discuss about most important improvement needed for Malaysian hospitals. Okay, so let's start with candidate A.
I, as a candidate A, think that the most important improvement for Malaysian hospital is more qualified and well-trained staff. Having a staff that are well-trained in their roles makes a business far better in many different ways. It's a fact that any manager should know because it is extremely beneficial to a company, whatever industry is it, whether it is a healthcare or a factory company. So, hospital staff should receive necessary technical training in order to perform their tasks better, improve their work-related skill set, and increase knowledge about their work so that they do not lead to any accidents and injury while treating a patient. For instance, well-trained nursing staff will not only provide quality patient care, but also handle critical situations in a better manner and report least number of needle prick injury. Other than that, well-trained employee can become an asset to the business. In this situation, if the well-trained and qualified doctor treat the patient well, the patient will satisfied with the service provided and they will add value to the hospital, which make internal promotion easier. So, in conclusion, training aids in providing quality care and better patient experience, which is the ultimate goal of any healthcare organization. So, I believe, as a candidate, I think that qualified and well-trained staff is the most important improvement for Malaysian hospitals. What do you think about that, Sulfa?
Sorry for interrupting, but I think better equipment and latest technology are the most important improvement for Malaysian hospital. Why? Because technology improves every day and new developments are constantly developing in our lives. The reason is better treatment can less suffering. In most obvious way, technology has changed healthcare by providing new machines, medicines, and treatments that can save billion lives. Also, latest technology improve research so experts can make healthcare more effective. By using the latest technology, the doctors can easy to reach and better at doing their jobs. With the touch of smartphone, doctors can access thousands of pages of medical textbooks and also easily to look up case studies and check out detailed patient history. And lastly, with better equipment, it will improve patient care and worker efficiency. Nowadays, the information technology has made patient care safer and more reliable than before. Nurse and the doctors can use handheld computer to record a patient's medical history and check that they are administering the correct treatment. And as more hospitals adopting electronic health records, the easier for patients to understand what is being done to them. As the result, with better equipment and the latest technology, are the most important for Malaysian hospital.
From my own point of view, I think the most important improvement for Malaysian hospitals is clean and well-maintained facilities. My first point is it can attract people to come to the hospital. Usually, most people go to government hospital because they are cheap, but it also not possible for many of them to seek a service at private hospital because of its facilities. Most people prefer the best hospital to avoid put the patient at risk. Besides that, it can reduce the spread of disease. This is because cleaner will sanitize the whole hospital so the bacteria will not be able to reproduce. In contrast, dirty environment can make bacteria to reproduce easily. So, the disease rate will increase. For example, disease like food poisoning will increase day by day. Apart from that, clean and well-maintained facilities can provide comfort to both the patient and the visitors. This is because the hospital provide waiting seats, clean patient beds for them. For example, clean patient beds can help the patient to get better rest. Meanwhile, the waiting seat can be used by the visitors so that we not have to stand up the whole day when taking care of patient. So, in conclusion, I think these 3 points can help to support that most important improvement for Malaysian hospitals is clean and well-maintained facilities.